Hey guys, and welcome to this new episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today we are leaving for Germany for a great workshop at the Landschaftspark with our model and stylist, of course, Nadine. So join us for Behind the Closed Doors at Landschaftspark. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. But for now, end week is coming, so let's go. And of course, we are taking the RV, right, Anouk?
Yes, we are!
Are you looking forward to it?
Definitely!
It's nice weather, right? So it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we arrived and Anouk is picking up our badges, and then we're gonna find a parking space for the RV, and then tomorrow the workshop. And there we have our badges, and of course Anouk. And we have arrived. Trust me, this is nothing yet. Everybody's still setting up, but tomorrow this will be the trade show floor. We are doing the workshops outside, but the trade show floor is in here. Starting to rain, so let's hope that for tomorrow the weather will be better, because this is not good for an outside workshop. So let's see if they also have inside locations tomorrow if it's still this kind of weather, but let's hope it clears up. Let's go in very quickly before we get totally soaked. Hey Anouk, are you ready for today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, is it nice weather?
It's great weather outside.
It's great weather outside, yes. It's not raining anymore. We have our bag, and of course we have all our strobes with us, so it's gonna be a fun day. And of course with a location like this, and Nadine is our model with great styling and lighting, it's gonna be awesome. So join us for today's workshop at Landschaftspark for the photo and adventure in Germany, Duisburg. Really looking forward to this one. Now, we've been doing workshops on location for a long time, so we probably know what to bring. So let me show you what we take with us on a location like this. The first and best tip I can give you is get a cart like this, because, well, carrying around gear isn't very funny. So over there we have our camera bag, of course. We have our strobes. Always bring extension cables, even if you're running on batteries, because you never know what's going to happen. We have some stands for our iPad and of course for the strobes. And we have the 14-inch reflector from Hensel. The main advantage of that one is that it gives you a bunch of light output. So you don't need to run your batteries on full power every time, and you still get a lot of light.
And we have our badge. Full access everywhere.
VIP, right?
Yes.
No, not really. Okay, no students yet. It's now 8:44 and they will arrive at around 10. And like with most workshops, we start with a Q&A. I always want to make sure that the students or the attendees of a workshop get exactly what they pay for. So during the Q&A, they can ask me any question they want. Some I will answer straight away, and some we will incorporate into the workshop. And we do the same thing in Emmeloord in our own studios, and we actually do it everywhere. Because how often do you visit a workshop where you go like, I didn't really learn what I wanted to learn. It was still fun, but I didn't go home with everything that I wanted to know. When I teach a workshop, I want to make sure that everybody goes home with exactly that they want to know. So if you have a problem with, for example, day to night photography or fill-in flash, you can ask that during the Q&A, and during the workshop I will incorporate it into the photo shoot. So really looking forward to the Q&A, and it's always a challenge because even I don't know what I'm going to do today. It's always different. It's never the same. It's always different lighting setup, different problems we have to tackle, and of course different locations and different models, different styling, whatnot more. So photography is always creative. It's always fluid. There's always something going on, and you can do so much with lighting and with models and location. It's always a challenge. So really looking forward to it, but you can probably tell that, right?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose
trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay, we are done with the workshop. It was absolutely amazing. Nice weather, awesome locations, as you can see in the images, of course.
Nice students.
Nice students. And now we're gonna drive back home to the Netherlands, 1 day off. And then we are at Europa Photo for the dealer event. So, enjoyed the episode, I hope. See you again next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.